Now, here's the thing, and it's sad. Being a computer scientist since college, with all the revolutions and breakthroughs of AI, like these models are getting better. Like a year or two ago, like for quant trading, or like the deep AI behind Laguna, right? Like that stuff I would do myself, right? Like I left the easy stuff to AI. Now, increasingly, the hard stuff is being coded pretty well by AI. Like it still does stupid things once in a while, but like it's handling complexity, like deeper technical architecture problems better. We're entering, or we've already hit a phase where like making an app is not nearly nowhere close to as hard as it used to be, right? The technological barrier on all sides is shrinking thanks to the AI oligopoly, Anthropic, OpenAI. So like people are going to be making apps faster and faster, making consumer products, like everything you can think of. You can now maybe reduce to a prompt engineer. So the real thing that's going to endure is the marketing battle, because that's a zero sum game, right? Like, so that's the great thing about quant trading. That's the reason I'll always have a job with that, is because like you can't ask AI, how do I make a great quant trading strategy? Because if you do it, then a bunch of other people can do it, and then you will negate each other's edge. And so similarly for marketing, right? There's a finite amount of attention from users. And so like you can't just be like, hey, make me like a top viral video. And believe me, I've tried. But right, like everyone is going to do that. And so right, there's always going to be a unique competitive advantage that you need in like marketing to actually succeed. So barrier to making an app is going to approach zero, but marketing battle is always going to stay a zero-sum game. So I would say on distribution and marketing, maybe start an organic content channel ASAP, start building your muscles, understanding the space, because, and it's a bit of a truism, and like it's been interesting to see its hand. Like you can make a beautiful product, the best product technology, and that's totally bottlenecked on like the competitive marketing space, right, in terms of adoption. And so like given that that's gonna be the bottleneck, and it's almost impossible that your tech is going to be the bottleneck, start with the marketing. And like if you can validate that first, right? If you can even get, let's say, make a channel for some company that doesn't exist, and you're able to like get a bit of virality with that, now if you already have the distribution. So some other people say this, but I'm going to parrot it, that like start with distribution first if you're looking at building a consumer app, because that's going to be your bottleneck anyway. And if you can't make that work, then well, you save yourself a lot of time. And now you keep trying, experimenting until you find something where you have a marketing edge, and then have the product follow.